Hello, and welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2025 Fiat TIPO, a car that's redefining compact practicality with a fresh take on style, technology, and efficiency. The Fiat TIPO has always been synonymous with affordability and functionality, but the 2025 model pushes the boundaries even further. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small family, or just someone who loves value-packed cars, the Fiat TIPO has something special for you. Exterior design sleek and sophisticated? The first thing that grabs your attention about the 2025 Fiat TIPO is its refreshed design. Fiat has taken a bold step forward with a more streamlined silhouette, sharper lines, and a wider stance. Up front, the redesigned grille, sleek LED headlights, and sporty bumper make a striking impression. The side profile boasts dynamic character lines that run the length of the car, giving it a more premium and modern look. Fiat is also offering a range of vibrant new colors and alloy wheel designs to let buyers personalize their rides. Interior comfort, practical meets luxury. Step inside the 2025 Fiat TIPO and you're greeted by a cabin that punches above its class. The materials feel upscale, with soft touch surfaces, stitched details, and a variety of finishes to choose from. The ergonomic layout of the dashboard ensures all controls are within easy reach. The infotainment system has been upgraded to feature a larger touchscreen with crystal-clear graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Add in a customizable digital driver's display, and you've got a tech-savvy cockpit that rivals more expensive competitors. Passenger comfort remains a strong point. The seats are supportive, with ample headroom and legroom, even for taller occupants. The TIPO also excels in cargo space, offering one of the largest trunks in its segment. Whether it's grocery runs or weekend getaways, the TIPO has you covered. Powertrain options, efficient and reliable. Under the hood, Fiat is offering a variety of engine options to suit different needs. The lineup includes a peppy 1.0-liter turbocharged engine, a fuel-efficient hybrid option, and for some markets, a tried-and-true diesel engine. The hybrid variant is the star of the show, combining smooth performance with incredible fuel economy. Fiat promises an impressive range on a single tank, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and longer journeys. Driving dynamics have been refined as well. The TIPO delivers a balanced ride with responsive steering and a suspension setup that soaks up bumps with ease. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway, the 2025 Fiat TIPO is a joy to drive. Technology and safety packed with features. Fiat has loaded the 2025 TIPO with cutting-edge technology. Beyond the upgraded infotainment system, you'll find advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Additionally, the car now comes with a 360-degree camera system and semi-autonomous driving capabilities, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Fiat has truly prioritized safety, making the TIPO one of the safest cars in its class. Pricing and value. Affordable excellence. One of the Fiat TIPO's strongest selling points has always been its affordability, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Despite the upgraded design, technology, and features, the TIPO remains competitively priced. It offers tremendous value for buyers looking for a stylish, reliable, and well-equipped car without breaking the bank. Final thoughts. A game changer. The 2025 Fiat TIPO proves that you don't need to compromise on style, technology, or performance to get an affordable car. It's a well-rounded package that delivers on all fronts, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of drivers. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Fiat TIPO, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what you think about Fiat's latest offering. Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled with the future.